Here we got a problem that we're trying to solve for an unknown side, and specifically this problem is meant to be solving for side BC. What we're going to have to do is first to make sure we can use law of sines for this, and then actually go through the problem. So I'm going to check, okay. Ooh, that's kind of interesting. I don't know angle A yet. All right. I do know both parts for angle C and side C, so that's a really helpful thing. The other thing that I know is that in all triangles, the sum of the angles must be 180 degrees. Here I've got 100 degrees so far, therefore we've got 80 left over. So now let's set up our law of sines. We've got sine of 33 divided by 5 is equal to sine of 80 over question mark. And let's use calculator to evaluate those. So we got sine of 33, and we're dividing that by 5. When I do that, I get 0.1089. 4 decimal places is nice to keep your answers more accurate. You could also leave these unrounded. That would be even better. Then we got 0.9848 for sine of 80 divided by question mark. I'm going to move the question mark to the other side by multiplication, and that cancels that out on the right side. Divide both sides by 0.1089, and we get to our answer. And when we do that, we end up with 9.04. So we're looking at 9.0432. Let's check to make sure that that number makes sense. That's opposite 80 degrees, which is much larger than 33 degrees. And 9 is much larger than 5, so we seem to be like we're in pretty good shape.